Generally, only the parties to a contract may sue for a breach of that contract. However, under the third-party beneficiary doctrine, a person who isn't a party to a contract may also sue for its breach. Grigerik versus Sharpe addressed how to determine whether a person is a third-party beneficiary. Joseph Grigerik contracted with Edward Lang to purchase a parcel of real estate adjacent to a reservoir. Lang agreed to do whatever work was necessary to secure the town's approval of the land for residential building. Lang hired engineer Gary Sharpe to prepare a site plan for drainage, design a septic system, and conduct soil testing. Lang told Sharpe that he had a buyer for the property if the town approved it as a building site. After Sharpe prepared a site plan, the town sanitarian told Grigerik that the septic system would be approved. Grigerik and Lang closed the deal. Grigerik applied to the new town sanitarian for the permits necessary to build a house on the lot. Following additional soil testing, the new sanitarian denied the building permits because the land wouldn't support a septic system. Grigerik sued Sharpe for breach of contract. The trial court instructed the jury that Grigerik could recover as a third-party beneficiary of the contract between Sharpe and Lang if he proved that he was an intended, contemplated, or foreseeable beneficiary of that contract. The trial court further instructed that both parties, Sharpe and Lang, must have intended that the contract benefit Grigerik for him to qualify as a third-party beneficiary. The jury specifically found that Grigerik was not an intended or contemplated beneficiary of the contract, but that he was a foreseeable beneficiary. The jury returned a verdict for Grigerik. The Connecticut Appellate Court reversed and ordered a new trial, holding that the trial court's instructions were erroneous because only Lang's intent as the promisee determined whether Grigerik was a third-party beneficiary. The appellate court also ruled that the trial court erred in permitting Grigerik to recover as a foreseeable beneficiary. The Connecticut Supreme Court granted review.